Okay, so I want to just show you guys how we pair the new SmartVent Advance system with its new wireless sensors. So the components are ceiling control box, is shown here. We have a wall controller, colour touchscreen, and we have the 4 sensors. 4 sensors here have been labelled. We have roof, bedroom, lounge and outside. And to pair them, what you need to do before you can pair is you need to turn the power off to the system and then turn it back on, but within 10 seconds of turning the power back on, we need to then press and hold down this little black button here. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to wait for that LED to come on, and then I'm going to press and hold that down around about 5 seconds. You'll hear the beep, which means it's ready for pairing. So you have 4 minutes to pair the very first sensor. This first sensor, when you turn this on, funny enough, is going to be in the roof. So we've got the roof sensor here. So basically we're going to remove the battery by using the coin. Battery cover, it's just a slight twist and then the cover comes off. And in here you'll see that we've got a button cell battery, which is a CR2302, and it's a case of just removing the plastic insulation that's between the battery and the rest of the housing. So pull that plastic insulation out, put the button cell battery back in. We're going to wait to see 3 flashes on the sensor, and you'll hear a confirming beep back here to say that it has now been programmed. So then you can put the cover back on. So the cover has got a little ding, a little bit of plastic there that needs to locate here, and then using the coin, slight twist to close it. That's the first sensor done. So if you look here, you'll see that this roof sensor is now reading 24, and the bedroom sensor is now reading 99. 99 means that it's ready to pair. So I'll grab the next sensor, which is the bedroom. Remove the battery cover. Get the little plastic insulator, remove it from the battery, push the battery back in. 3 flashes here means that it's now paired. We heard it beep to confirm that. You can see here now that this is reading 24 degrees as well. So we'll put the cover back on this one. Move on to the next sensor, which is the lounge. That's reading 99. Remove that back cover again, pull out the insulator, battery back into place. 3 flashes to confirm that it's connected. It is. A beep from here to corresponds with that connection. I'll put the cover back on. And then the final sensor, which is outside. So you can see that one is reading 99. Remove the cover, remove the insulator, wait for the confirming 3 flashes. Battery cover back in. Slight twist. And now all 4 of the sensors are paired. Problem comes though when something goes wrong halfway through the pairing process, and you may find yourself having to repair the sensors again. So that can be done quite easily as well. So to do that, I'm going to turn the power off to the ceiling control box, and this time we're going to hold this button down before we put the power on. Press and hold this button down, turn the power on. I'm going to wait for that LED to flash. And now when we go back to this sport controller, you'll see that no one appeared. It's ready for pairing again. We can go through the same process we went through a few minutes ago, where I turned the power off, turned it back on, and within 10 seconds I pressed and held down that button for 5 seconds. Thank you for watching. For more help, please contact us on 0800 140 150 or visit our website smartvent.co.nz.